So today we're going to be taking a look at some Polar Pro filters. Now these are long exposure filters and they're really geared more towards photography. So you're going to want to stick around. Stay tuned. What's up guys? Thanks for coming back. Don't forget to drop a like on this video. Really helps out. And if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss another video like this. Today I'm out here with my good friend Steven from Blue Eye Visuals. We're out here, was it Singer Island?
Yeah, Singer Island.
Singer Island.
Ocean Reef Park.
Ocean Reef Park. We're at the beach. We're going to be doing some long exposure shots of the shore. Like I said, we've got some Cinema Series long exposure ND filters for the Mavic 2 Pro. Steven's got the Mavic 2 Pro. I don't. He was nice enough to come out and work with me. I'm gonna be tossing him these filters, compliments of DroneWorks and Polar Pro. So for helping me out. So these are yours, dude.
Oh, hell yeah.
So we got a chance to do a little bit of filming. This is the first time I've really ever messed with long exposure filters. We found a really nice spot where the rocks were and we did a couple of shots. What were we shooting at?
We were shooting at a quarter second for the 128 filter, and for the 256 we were doing a second and over, up to a second and a quarter probably. Nice.
So in this kit that you get a 128, 256, and a 1000. We don't have enough sun because it's like almost 5 o'clock really now. We don't have enough sun to really mess with the 1000, but the higher up in the filter you go, the less light it's gonna let in. That's sort of the theory of it, and you'll drop your shutter speed down to be able to get that motion blur. Now, ideally, this is really good for, let's say, waterfalls, moving water, or even traffic, but we didn't want to fly around traffic, so filming around water, which is actually sort of really dangerous for you. He was like really close to the water. You're gonna see some of these shots and they're just epic. It looks amazing. So take a look at this video. Let us know what you think. So those were long exposure shots. Again, I'm not a photographer, so Steven is a photographer. I'm not. Like I said, I'm gonna leave his Instagram down below so you can check him out. Again, it's Blue Eye Visuals. He also does commercial work. He is 107 certified to do this. So if you're down in the South Florida area, definitely give him a shout for all your aerial photography needs. But I'm pretty impressed with these. I think these shots came out pretty good. You'll probably see some of these on both of our Instagrams. But really, I think it's cool if you want some interesting shots, like something different than a normal. Again, this is different from me because I don't really do photography. I'm more videography, but I found it pretty cool nonetheless. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time. Stay original.